how to use this AI application here, so you can get very great AI videos, and I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. So here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and down here you may see some templates. As you can see, all the templates which you can use. If you like one of them, all I got to do is just stop and try now. Once you stop on that option, pretty much have to upload either a video or a picture so you can get the best results. So let me just try next one here. Like say for example this one here. I'm gonna stop and try now, upload a video, and it will give me our image, and it will give me similar results. As you can see here, only 20 shells, 25 shells to create a similar edit like this here. So over here you have some arrow, you have quite a lot of them. So all you have to do is just scroll across and pretty much look for what you want, or you can scroll down and pretty much see if you see any template or edits that you would like to use. So it all depends on you and what you want to use, guys. So here you have a perfume and perfume ads display. You can pretty much use that if you want. Any one of these, all I got to do is stop and try now, and you get the template that I use, and you can recreate the same thing but using something different. So that's all for the template. At the top here you have the image to video option, you have the text to video, you have the image generation. So do make sure you sign in. You get 200 free shellings. If I tap on the top here where it says free trial, you get a 3 days free trial, which you can try their pro features and so forth. Here you can see the monthly subscription and what we're getting, and yearly subscription, and also what we're getting for the standard and the pro version. So if you want to purchase whichever subscription, it's all up to you. At the top here, you may see a shell looking icon. This is pretty much where you go to pretty much see all your, so let's say shells. All your shells and pretty much the prices for your shells. So you get 500 coins for $6 plus 100 shells bonus. So all depends on you. And you're gonna need those to generate your image or your video or your text or video, whatever the case is. So any one of these features, let's say for image to video, all I got to do is just stop on it, and here in this section here, either gonna in with a start frame or end frame. You can edit those as well. You can enter a prompt, and that will pretty much, you can edit the camera control as well. And you have some free selection here for the persons who don't have any subscription. So this is the starting or the start frame and the end frame as well. So both of them will be shown, and you have the cinematic edits over here, which you can see. And also here you pretty much will need to enter your prompt that you're going to use. Limit is 2,000 words. So you know what you're doing. So down here you may see some other features which you can enable as well. You have the new model. You can tap on this to see all models which you can use. You have Google VEO 3.1 fast, and you have the one up there as well. And you have some other ones here. But depends on whichever model you want to use. It all depends upon you guys. So you have the resolution, but you need a subscription to get the 180p resolution there, and the 10 seconds. You need a subscription for that one as there. So as you can see here, there's 20 shillings. We need to create a text to video. And if you want more than one, you just tap on this option down here and just add more than one. As you can see here, it's gone up to 4. So that's pretty much it for that there. And for the text to image, that was image to video. So text to video, sorry. So this section here can just enter your prompt and the same information down here. And for the image generation, you already know, just enter your prompt. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always enter here and enter the polish option here. It will just give you a better ads or better results when you're generating your images. Also, you can add a reference if you want it to look similar to whatever you're adding here. It should be something that you want to look similar to. And down here, you have some other options, whether you want it to be whatever ratio you want it to be. You can also select down here the model. There's only one model available, and here you can just increase how much photos you want. So very easy application to use, and you don't have to be navigating like how I'm navigating through the application with the text to video and image to video. You can just tap on the top here where it says text to image to video, and you can see all of the features that they offer, and just tap on one which you want to use, and you're pretty much good to go. So here with the me section where it says me, this is pretty much where you go and see all the images that you have generated within the application. And if you pretty much want a subscription, you can just tap on subscribe down here. We'll take you to your subscription page, and you're pretty much good to go. So if I missed anything at all for this tutorial, please comment below, and I would love to help you out. If you have any questions or anything like that, just comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one.